Breaking news, Chat GPT has pulled the plug on Bing integration after people have been using it to bypass paywalls. OpenAI says it will be back in the future after they get a chance to fix it. Hello and welcome back to Gears and Tech. The party is over for Chat GPT Plus subscribers as OpenAI announced it has temporarily disabled the Browse with Bing beta tool from its service. So what's the reason? Apparently, people use the feature to completely bypass paywalls and consume content for free. Browsing with Bing gave Chat GPT the ability to pull information from recently published sources so it could answer time-sensitive questions. For those that are new to the AI tech, Chat GPT does not have real-time access to the internet. There is roughly a 1-year delay on the information it's able to access to come up with the answers to users' questions. There are many reasons for this, but primarily it's a safeguard to prevent the AI itself from having malicious actions or allow users to circumvent safeguards. The latest version of Chat GPT, however, has been granted access to more recent information through the use of special third-party plugins. An example of these plugins would be using Expedia to book a flight for a vacation. In the case of Bing, it's able to access specific pull-forward information that comes directly from the internet. Microsoft has been advertising this service in their ads that tout Bing is powered by OpenAI Chat GPT. However, it appears that OpenAI's developers underestimated the feature's capabilities. According to an official help page, if a user specifically asks for a URL's full text, the AI will fulfill the request, including displaying content from paywalled articles. OpenAI stated it's fixing this issue because it wants to do right by content owners. The tool will return someday in the future. Exactly when is unknown at this time. What's also unknown is how the AI was able to bypass paywalls, although there is some speculation on the ChatGPT subreddit. One user points out that since some paywalls are simply pasted over articles, ChatGPT could simply read the code rendering the text and display the content without a problem. The response to this announcement has been pretty negative as subscribers flock to OpenAI's community forums to air their grievances. Some state Browse with Bing was the sole reason they purchased ChatGPT Plus in the first place. One poster says the feature allowed them to read some repositories on GitHub or forum posts that were in another language. Others said that without Browse with Bing, they're not getting their money's worth. As angry as these people are, it's totally understandable why OpenAI would disable the tool. The company has been hit left, right, and center by multiple lawsuits. Just to give you an idea, you have the lawsuit from the California-based Clarkson law firm which alleges ChatGPT massively violated the copyrights and privacy of countless people when it used data scraped from the internet to train its tech. There are authors Paul Tremblay and Mona Awad who claim OpenAI used their books to train the generative AI without attribution. And you have Georgia radio host Mark Walters suing the developers for defamation after ChatGPT claimed he embezzled funds from a non-profit organization. What's crazy is all those lawsuits are just from this past month. Needless to say, OpenAI is currently navigating some rough waters. The last thing the company needs right now is to get hit with yet another lawsuit. What do you think about this new AI tech? Are we at risk of the machines taking over? Or is this just all an amusing show? Post in the comments.